How to set up free delivery on ECWIT 2022 easy. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your very own free delivery on ECWID. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So first of all, we're going to go to the ECWID website. Now let's discuss what ECWID really is. ECWID is basically a website where you can start your e-commerce and create your online store, start selling or whatever you like. It's like your ordinary WordPress website, Shopify, Wix. It's just like those, and you can just do a great startup. So without further ado, we're going to go right into it. It's ecwid.com. Now, you can get started for free or just log in. I'm just going to go ahead and log in because I already have an account. Now, once you're signed up and logged into your account, you're going to come to your main page dashboard over here. Now, you're on your dashboard. So from here on out, to first of all add a conditional free shipping place, you're going to go to shipping and pick up. And once you go to shipping and pick up, what you're going to do is you're going to go on shipping. So here's shipping, ship within your country or internationally, enable automatic shipping rates from carriers, or use your own custom rates if your product requires special shipping fees. So now you're just going to click on add shipping. Now, obviously, it's going to give you your shipping regarding whatever country you're in. I'm in this country, so it's going to give me my country's post. If you're in America, it can give you USPS or whatever. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the carriers. And from here on out, it can either be free shipping. Now, if you set up free shipping, what's going to happen is the shipping cost will totally be free, and the tax is going to be cut from your wallet. Or it can be conditional free shipping. Now, what conditional free shipping is that the shipping cost is free on a condition of if the buying price is over $20, let's say, or $30, let's say. So it all depends on the buying price. And if you do free shipping, then there is no basic charge on the shipping. So I just recommend conditional free shipping. So from there on out, we're just going to click on setup conditions. We're going to click on that. We're going to wait for it to load. Now you can just name it whatever you like. Standard shipping is okay in my opinion. Then you're going to set up your currency. I'm going to set up mine to, let's say, 10,000 rupees. Now, 10,000 rupees is, I think, around $100. So now once I've got that set up, then the rate per order, you can create that also. You can add different rows if you want to add different price ranges. Once you've done that, here it's going to say table based on. Now, you can either do it for the total weight or the subtotal after all the discounts. So this is going to be the optimum setting. And the rate can be based on the range only or the range, subtotal, and weight. That depends on you and the product and the store you're running. Add description for customers. This is basically a description for customers and what they're going to see once they get this conditional free shipping order message. Limit availability. Now, specify the order subtotal before discounts. This delivery method won't be available at checkout for orders below that amount. So you can do that if you want the minimum order subtotal. Then show estimated delivery at checkout. You can show the estimated transit time, etc. Days when you pack orders. You can set it to whatever days you like. I pack order received past this time on the next day. You can change the time, and then you can finally set the shipping region. Now, it could be no limitations. Select this option if you ship worldwide with no limitations. Then you can go with advanced settings, where you can obviously use it to whatever specific region you want to deliver it to. And limit by zone on map. Then limit delivery area to your city, neighborhood, or block. Or you can just basically create this radar map to specify what area to ship in. And then once you've done that, all you're going to do is save and finish. And what that's going to do is it's going to save these settings to your store. And that is how easy it is to add your very own free shipping methods to your ECWID store. Now, let's go ahead and talk about our free delivery, on how we can start our free delivery. So for that, we're going to go on local delivery and we're going to click on add delivery. Now, once we do that, over here also, we can set up our conditional free delivery and we can set up our free delivery. So I'm just gonna go on set up free delivery. Now, once I go on that, it's gonna take a bit to load. Now, once it's loaded up, name at checkout. Again, you're gonna do the same you did for the other process, which was your shipping. So here on out, you're gonna check your name. You're gonna set your delivery zone, limit the availability, set the operating hours. Then you can add the blackout dates. Now, what blackout dates are? These are specific dates when the delivery option is unavailable. So you can add those. Then ask for a delivery date. Now you can ask for date only or ask for date and time slot. Now you can do these settings. Order fulfillment time, whatever you like. Time unit, you can change it from here, and add description for customers. This is obviously for the customers when they see that message for the free delivery. And once again all of this is done, you're just going to go on save and finish. And once you've done that, it's going to be taken to your store and it's going to be saved to that. And yeah, basically that is how easy it is to set free shipping and free delivery on your ECW ID store. So that was it. If you want to know more about this, please let me know down in the comments and I'll help you right away. But yeah, until then, I hope you all have a great day. And that was all from me. Goodbye.